In the heart of Gothenburg and in the city's first WELL-certified building, Rejlers has created the Office of the Future. Rejlers in Gothenburg is the world's first project to use Helvar's latest Senses solution. Senses is the next evolutionary step in adding environmental sensing to Helvar's offering and is directly focused on delivering better buildings that provide the best experience for occupants with much lower emissions. Unique benefits only possible with Helvar.
After expanding the entire system with insights and with Senses, we now have the easy opportunity to check temperatures and air quality inside the premises. Usually in buildings like this, we don't have access to this data. You notice that the air is bad and you call to complain, but you never get to see any values or how it really is. Now we have the chance ourselves to see if the air quality is actually bad, or if we are just tired ourselves. Niklas Steenberg works at Rejlers here in Gothenburg. It was when we were looking at which system to use. This property was already prepared for a KNX system. We looked a lot at future solutions. This was during the COVID period, and the solution had to be flexible. ActiveAhead was, from what we saw, the big part of it. That's why we chose this solution for the property in our office, removed the KNX and only ran Helvar. If you look here at the office, we did both. We run both wired controls and wireless controls with ActiveAhead, and you often think when you design offices that you run wired on corridor parts and some fixed parts. Then you try to run wireless as much as possible otherwise. But you see that it is becoming more and more common that the wired disappears. There are still some basic things you should have wired for anyway.
There are a few different variants. The wired system is Imagine, and we have our wireless system, ActiveAhead. The latest addition to the building is Senses. Helvar Senses is an environmental sensing solution which not only controls the lighting but also monitors air quality, temperature, noise, and much more.
It's a very good solution. Sensors can be combined with the standard lighting control system. Because larger properties have BMS systems, they become complex. Here we have the opportunity, as I said, to control things ourselves in an easy way. You can see in the projects that we have ongoing where they have these huge BMS systems, there is now the opportunity for the tenant to be able to control certain things, and this is achieved without having to go into these large-scale systems.
The advantage of getting data is that you can confirm an experience or have a discussion if it's just an experience. This is a great advantage, but you can also use data in the dialogue with the property owner, and the more data you have, the better you can adjust a property.
We are facing exciting times here at Rejlers as these intelligent solutions converge. This synergy is really helping to drive both energy savings and optimal well-being for users at the same time.